Hi everyone, welcome to I Speak Organized. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. Today's video is all about organizing products. If you need some ideas for how to better organize your home, maybe it's time to consult a pro for some recommendations. These are things I love so much that I not only recommend them to my clients, but I also use them in my own home. So stick around and let's check it out.
Oh my god, look how organized my house is. So today's video is a little different because I'm going vlog style, which I'm not used to, but I want to take you guys from room to room to show you how I love to organize in my own house. So I'm going to start you guys in my closet, flip you around and show you what I love in the closet for organizing. The first thing is this origami mesh drawer organizer situation. I love this thing. I ordered it on HSN. I'll be sure to link everything down below, but this thing is fantastic because it comes basically already assembled and you don't really need to do very much to set it up. You could pretty much do it with one hand if you wanted to. And then another thing that I really love are these bag hooks. These are from the Container Store. They're specifically for bags. I'm all about clearing the floor as much as possible in a closet to keep the space nice and tidy. And then the last thing I want to show you is really just sort of a simple organizational hack. This is a closet-made shoe shelf. And my husband, I have to give him credit for this, he repurposed it as a shelf for his hat collection. If you've got somebody in your house that wears a lot of baseball caps like my husband does, then you're gonna wanna check out my Instagram video on how to properly care for and clean your baseball caps, because that is definitely a thing that we all should learn more how to do. Next up on our tour is my dresser drawer. You can't really see them super well, but I've got these bamboo drawer dividers in here, and I like to file fold my clothes, so it kind of just keeps things from sliding around while they're in there, especially, you know, if you need to do laundry and your drawer is relatively empty. This is a great way to have all those things stored nice and neatly. And I got this for my husband at Costco, and this is definitely not what this unit is intended for originally, but my husband kind of uses it to organize some of the things that he needs to take to work, you know. It's almost like a guy's jewelry box, if you want to know the truth. And he's got business cards, and he's got accessories and things like that, and that's what he uses it for, and I think that's awesome. Moving right along to the bathroom. Luckily we cleaned it yesterday. You're welcome. All right, flip the light on and I will show you what we've got going on under the sink. So about a month ago, I did a bathroom organization for spring video, and I will link that down below so you can check that out. But these little drawer organizers, this is another origami piece. Again, they come fully assembled and they have powder coated steel so they don't rust, which is why I decided to use them in the bathroom, since the bathroom is generally a fairly wet place. But these things are awesome if you don't have a medicine cabinet. Moving right along over here, similar, these are actually from IKEA. These are these really thin, long drawers. I don't know if you can see how long they are, but they fit a ton of stuff in these baskets. And this is more just overflow because we have this very interesting space in our vanity area that wasn't being used. So we went ahead and just bought these 2 units to fill them up and for use for all our backstock and things like that, extra towels, yada yada. You have to know that a lot of professional organizers are big fans of rotating caddies. Oh, these things are so awesome. So this is my everyday makeup station, things that I use on a daily basis. So I keep all of it organized in this 2-tiered stand here on top of our vanity. And then I keep all of my back stock in this adult caboodle type of thing. So that's pretty nifty. I'm going to take you guys into my girls' bedroom and show you some of the organizational systems in there. So my girls are still really teeny tiny, so I actually use these fabric bins for them because all of their clothes are so little. So it is just more cost effective, and it's easier for me to keep everything nice and organized in these little bins here. And I think some of them, yeah, like down here we have bigger ones, and they are super affordable. I got them from Amazon, and I'll link them down below. They come in several different colors. I've also done a nursery room organization video. In fact, I think it was the first video I ever did on my channel, so you definitely want to check that guy out. And moving along here, these are so cute. Okay, so confession, if you've looked on my Instagram, you haven't seen the top of these. I'll show it to you. It's actually a big birthday gift box, and those are from Target, but how cute are those? In the closet, I have this, I'm gonna back up so you can see it better. This is an IKEA closet system, and you can custom configure these however you want. So we did some clothing storage up top, and then we did some shelving down here, just basic shelving. And then we have these 3 wire drawer bins to keep, I keep a lot of extra back stock and accessories and a lot of stuff that I don't want the girls to be getting into and making a mess of on a regular basis. So I absolutely love this thing. Well, this has been fun so far, hasn't it? I know. So now we're gonna go into the kitchen, and I will show you a couple small things that I love in here. A lot of you are familiar with these. I think these are M Design. I don't want to be quoted on that, but I will make sure to let you know in the comments section down below if that's what they are. But these bins are invaluable. They're really sturdy, and especially for things like these bottles, these SodaStream bottles, they kind of keep things in order from toppling around. I will give you a demonstration of what life would be like without them. Well, I'm just gonna make myself a nice glass of, oh my God, and they just fall all over the floor. What would I do? I hate this. Oh, just put them in here, and then you don't have to worry about any of that ever again. One less headache in our lives. Don't we love that? We love that. Okay, next up on our kitchen tour, we're walking by my makeshift pantry. Oh my gosh, I need to get a picture to cover this. We had one, and then my daughter pulled it off of the wall, so we gotta get a new one. Whoopsie doodles. Anyway, I digress. This lovely thing is Closet Maid's over the door or wall hanging pantry. This is from IKEA, and we put this together, and we have all of our food stuff down in here, but you know, it's not a ton of storage space, so we ended up getting these to kind of help supplement, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. Moving right along, wee, look at us go. In my desk area, I have a couple of things. They're really small. This is awesome. This was another Amazon purchase. You can use these for a variety of different things. I use them to store small office supplies. It's kind of my answer to a junk drawer. And then over here, this is just a tiered acrylic organizer. It kind of comes apart like that. It has 3 compartments to keep some little office supplies in, and it's kind of a decorative piece too. Super, super cute. These are awesome. These are from IKEA. They are perfect for attaching those really super adorable vinyl labels that you can print and customize yourself, which is something I love to do for clients. So these bins are fabulous. They're great for stacking. You can use them in a pantry. I use them right now in my little desk setup that I have here in our little living room nook. So that's that guy. All right, everybody, that is it. We are done. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. I hope that you found these ideas inspirational in organizing your own home. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps small channels and small women-owned businesses like myself. It's free, it's easy, and I would really appreciate it. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!